okay, it's not a bad little room. I mean, it's old, but look at this. It's a suite. Oh, gee, here's the jacuzzi tub, like right in the damn bedroom. But hey, you know, you sore and tired after a hard day's travel. TV, bed, double closets. Check this out. Part 2 of the bathroom is a shower and a sink. Okay, and then here's the shitter separately by itself with a sink. And look, little sitting area. Really dreary and dated, but hey, it's clean. And oh, I gotta turn. Look at special surprise. How does this even work? I had it on. This fireplace is supposed to go on. Hey, it was just on. What did I do? Did I break it? I don't know how to work it. There we go. I did it. Yay. Oh, that must be the flame. Anyway, oh, whoops. There you go. There you go. All right. Oh, and then look at this. A little desk area, or a little wet bar area with a microwave and a mini fridge. I guess, yeah. Oh, well. There it is there. Oh, and a desk.